Today, Blackmagic released new version of their Blackmagic desktop video software, version 14.3. But as you may know in the past, these upgrades often ended with an unusable Blackmagic card with error message "No desktop video device detected." I made a dedicated video about how to fix this issue. I will link it in this video description down below in case you have problems too. Is it safe to upgrade to the desktop video software 14.3 or you should stay on what you have currently working now? Let's test it right now. I'm running Apple Mac Studio M2 Ultra with the latest macOS Sonoma 14.7.1 and Blackmagic Ultra Studio 4K Mini and desktop video setup version 14.2.1. So instead of now installing the desktop video new version, first I will uninstall the previous one and reboot. So I will go to my applications folder Blackmagic desktop video and locate my uninstall desktop video app. Yes, I want to uninstall. It will remove all the extensions from the system. So now it's time to reboot your Mac. So top left Apple, restart. So now just open your web browser and go to the Blackmagic support web page, and here in the capture and playback section you will find the desktop video 14.3. So let's download it. Double click on it and here we go. So now as normally install it from this package. And this is extremely important. Be careful, watch step by step, okay? Click on the Open System Settings. Here click on the Allow in the Privacy and Security section. And one more time. Open System Settings and Allow. So at this moment it's safe to close the system settings and click on the Restart button in the Install Desktop Video Installer. And hopefully after reboot, it's gonna be working. Or not. Let's see. So let's go to Applications folder, Blackmagic Desktop Video. Moment of truth. Oh god, it's working. So as you can see, my Ultra Studio 4K Mini is now running on the desktop video setup version 14.3. Great. So for me, it worked perfectly as it should. But in a case your Blackmagic device became unusable and you are getting now the error message, "No desktop video device detected," watch my video how to fix this issue. Link is in this video description. And if you still have some problems, don't forget I offer personal help and one-on-one coaching. So if you would need any help with your Apple Mac, Windows, Linux, servers, music or video production and more, then you can in just few clicks schedule a Zoom video call with me and a remote session to your computer so I can help you right in front of your eyes. Take advantage of this limited offer. Again, link is in this video description. And if you are into macOS tips and tricks, then you should definitely watch this video here. I hope I made your day again a little better. Give my video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know your experience with your desktop video setup update in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.